Oh, whoa.
We made it this far without any rain, but...
Previously, you would have seen us cleaning out, getting shelves out, Rust-Oleum. Now we're putting Kilmat down. We're gonna put some rubbing alcohol down first to really clean the surface, get a nice stick on there, put the Kilmat on, and it'll just go like that, and then there'll be Kilmat places. Whoa, you didn't have to do any work.
Magic. All right, let's get to it.
So this one, I'm gonna sneak in here. So I'm gonna cut like...
Hot as hell.
Well, thanks, Captain Obvious. Where's the spray bottle?
Oh yeah, it's over.
Today, I'm not sure right now. I just got back from work, hence this lovely outfit. And now we're going to be putting Kilmat over the cab area. So, and just kind of wiggling things around. Kind of already got some screws out for us. Oh, whoa.
There it went. Got it.
Okay.
Can you hear it?
You know, I don't even really know where to begin, because it seems like every time I get ahead, I end up going 2 steps back. So tonight, I'm gonna let this one ride. You know what I mean?
Oh, god dang. Ah. Oh my goodness. Why you should use this, but not your fingers. So when you cut, sometimes this little foil bit frays up. Yep. Check out this mosaic Kilmat job. I would like to open this box, but Tosh has other plans. What about you, Milo? Got anything to say to the mic? What about you, sir? I'm staying on this box, no matter what. Today's the day, or I should say, good morning. Hello. See, what's a good opening? I don't know. What's up, everybody? That's taken.
That's how cows say good morning. It just sounds like
Good morning, everybody. Today we are headed to my mom's house, and it's the day we'll be installing the maxxair fan. Hopefully our skylight. Not sure if you can even hear us with all this rattling. Awesome. So that's us today. How do you feel about drilling a hole in the van today?
Hopefully we don't total it. Yeah, a little nervous, honestly, to drill a giant hole in here, but, you know, we're pretty prepped, so I feel like we're ready as we can be. Just gotta charge in there.
Take it slow. Take it step by step.
Yeah. Should I just bang it out? Holy shit. cut the sun hatch, the boat hatch hole. Don't ask me what this tape job is because I have no idea. I know it stops with the rattling, but I don't want to cover my line, and I don't know what's a waste of tape and what's not. So I'm going to use it as I need it after this. It's a very large hole in comparison to the maxxair fan hole over there. Celeste is down there, tracing out the floor. Okay, time to get to work. Oh, the best part of installing the maxxair fan. See if I can really get the noise here on this. Oh, look at that dirty roof. Oh yeah. Look at that. Oh, look at that. Don't look at that. Or that finger. Ooh, yeah.
We're pretty lucky all day for sunshine, and now here comes something. Fingers crossed that.
I can see too many pools that I want to jump into from up here.
And that's a day. That's a wrap.
Did not take an hour.
No.
Tell you what.
But you did so good up there.
It didn't rain though. It's cloudy right now, but still no rain, so we're just gonna wait a little bit, wait for it to dry, and we'll be on our way. What I want is for people to be like, oh, what's your van name? Like, Moby Dick.
Moby Dick.
Yeah.
The Moby Dick.
No, Moby Dick. Oh, it's the Moby Dick. No, it's not the Moby Dick. It's Moby Dick, because that's why they took the off of Facebook. The Facebook?
Oh yeah, that is a little strange.
Without any rain, but that's not looking too good.
I'll take those other